we can learn a lot from invasive species, including new recipes. This is garlic mustard. You can tell because of its four-petaled white flowers, and especially by its leaves, which are kind of heart-shaped or triangular-shaped, and they have these wavy edges on them. And a lot of people make pesto with garlic mustard, or they add garlic mustard leaves to their salads, which apparently is delicious. So whenever you're going out to forage, be sure that you know exactly what plant you're picking, or go out with someone who has experience with it, because not all plants are edible. And when you're harvesting garlic mustard like this, be sure that you get the entire root. I didn't grab the entire root, so when you don't do that, it'll grow back, which is what we don't want to happen with garlic mustard.